Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to bring you a new digital product that I have, and it's called Tea Things. Sorry for my messy desk. I have a lot of projects going on. Look at these fun little tickets. Yay! I've got Tim Holtz ticket stamps and dies. They are lots of fun. Anyway, digital product for 8.5 by 11 sized. Of course, you could resize the file. That's not a problem. The graphics are nice for the bigger, so it'll be fine sizing it down a little if you need to work in a traveler's notebook size. But this is sort of a grayish, teal-ish thing, and it has tea elements with it. So, of course, they're single-sided. I did put one in here that you could use as sort of on its own, or you could use as a backing print, double-sided. So you could print, say, one side this. It's got this sort of watermark here, water stain, the teacups and pot, and the tea makes everything better in that really nice font. So if you print, let's pretend you printed this double-sided, then this is on the back. When you fold it, then you have double-sided, or you could just layer with your other papers. You could mix them. This is an easy one to mix and match. So there's those two papers. So this is all gray. This is the teal and gray, and it's got a bit of damask in the back here. It's got smear marks, splatters. It kind of has it all. So those are those two. Then there's this one that has that teal in there as well, the smear, but now there are some floral botanicals that are really, really pretty. And this fun teapot down here with the, I fold this here, with the vines and leaves on there. So there's that one. Here's another sort of general one, but has still a lot of interest to it. It's got these sort of faded out leafy elements in there, as well as a slight bit of pattern. It's going to be hard to pick up on the camera, but you could probably see it in the Etsy shop a little bit clearer in the pictures. But prints out really well, and is another great one for journaling on and writing, because it's not so bold, I like to alternate them so that there's some plainer but still interesting ones. And then the last one is this one. So keeping in mind this would be folded in half. On one side you have this sort of leafy texture here, and you could write in here, you could post pictures, and on the other side is this cups and saucers, and there are more teacups faded out, a little bit faded out there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 papers in this collection. So I do take a lot of time when I design them. I want to make sure that I like them. I print them out multiple times to make sure that that's something I would use in my own work. And I like the quality to be nice, and a lot of thought goes into these. I know they might seem simple when you first glance at them, but there are layers and layers of design here that make these textures. So just letting you know that that's available if that's something that floats your boat. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day. See you in the next video.